So while this is frying, let me just point out a few things. You don't want your oil too full. You just want it deep enough to fry without getting flat. If it's too full, when you put the puff puff, it's going to displace the oil and you're most likely going to have spillage, and spilling hot oil is not something you want to happen when you're frying stuff. So don't make your pot too full with the oil. It will help you. So this is how I'm most comfortable. I take a little ball. You don't want your balls too big, like this, and just let it drop. I dip my hand in the water. I just repeat the process. When it comes like this, it will slide off. You don't want your pot too crowded. You want your puff puff to be able to move. So don't make it too crowded in here. So you keep turning them from time to time. Just make sure you fry both sides so they cook evenly.